Hey, first responders and first-time homebuyers, welcome to Rich's Real Estate Recipes for Success. I'm Rich Shane with RE/MAX, and today I'm joined by Leon Belov of the Lending Group. Leon, what's today's recipe?
It's very easy, Rich. We're helping first responders and first-time homebuyers get into new homes.
Leon, what 3 key ingredients do first responders and first-time homebuyers need to know about making this recipe a success?
590 credit score, which means you can be less than perfect with your credit.
And ingredient number 2?
Ingredient number 2 is 1% down, which means you get up to a 2.5% grant towards your down payment.
And third key ingredient?
Third key ingredient, 6% seller assist towards your closing costs.
And Leon, how do people connect with you to get this recipe started?
Call me, 215-516-5555. If you like email, leonb@lendinggroupco.com. And the folks that are on Facebook, it's at LGGroupCO.
So remember to like, share, and comment on social media so we can help first responders and first-time homebuyers get a mortgage. And Leon, why would anybody want to rent versus buy?
Good question. I have no idea.
Thanks, Leon.